Hello dear students, this is your Tejip sir and this fourth maths class. My dear all students, today we are going to learn chapter number 12, time. What I am going to teach today? Today I am going to teach you a chapter number 12, use of AM and PM. First of all, we are going to do the revision of use of AM and PM, and then after, my dear students, we are going to solve exercise number 12B. Got my points, all my dear all students? Today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn a chapter number 12. In chapter number 12, further, we are going to learn exercise number 12B. What, my dear students, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn in further exercise number 12B. My points, all my dear students. So now I am going to first of all present here screen, and then after, my dear students, I am going to present uh, our exercise number 12B. But my points, all of you, what I am telling you, note down these all things in your book, dear all, and then I am going to start all things here on. Understood? Note down these all things, dear. So all my dear students, I am present here today's code, and then after we will going to start our show. Let's check here, my dear students, what is the today's code. Today's code is what? Today's code, a person who never made mistakes or never try anything new. What all, dear students? A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students, what I am telling you here. So I hope you all know what is the meaning of this quote. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. Okay, so now, my dear, I am present here. First of all, here use of AM and PM. As per I was told you, first of all, we are going to learn, we are going to revision of a use of AM and PM. Got my points, all of you? So attention here properly and take out your important things. Means book, rough book, either you are using the repair book, pencil, eraser, scale, and important stationery. Keep it with you, all dear. These all things, keep it with you and sit properly, my dear all students. So my dear students, now first of all we are going to do the revision of use of AM and PM. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. Note down these small things, dear all. So when our hand goes around the clock once, when our hand goes around the clock once, 12 hours have passed. How many hours passed, my dear students? There are 1 of 12. Okay, 1 to 12 hour passed. In one day, my dear students, there are 24 hours. How many hours in one day? In one day, there are 24 hours. Got my points, all my dear students? So a day has a 24 hours. So the hour hand goes around the clock twice in a day. Got my points, all? When the hour hand goes around the clock once, 12 hours have passed. A day has 24 hours. So the hour hand goes around the clock twice in a day. What, my dear all students? Twice in a day. Twice means what? Two times in a day. Twice means two. Two times in a day. 12 multiplied by 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. It's 24 hours. 12 twos are 24. Got my points, all dear? 12 twos are 24 hours. Understood? Got my points, all my dear students? I hope you all are understood, dear all. Note down this whole thing. And now here we will going to check the clock. The clock will show. What, my dear? The clock will show. The clock, what it show us? It shows that both clocks, see my dear students, there is the same time in both clock. In both clock there is the same time. But my points all dear, in both clock there is the same time, my dear student. Got my points all of you. So what is the difference between both clock? One clock is shows a morning time, and the second clock is present, shows a evening time. Got my points all of you, what I am telling you. Note down these all things in your book, dear. See, at 7 o'clock in the morning, the first clock is represent a 7 o'clock in the morning. What is present? The first clock is present at 7 o'clock in the morning. Which time, my dear students? In a morning. And second clock is present evening of 7 o'clock. Evening 7 o'clock. Got my points all dear, what I am telling you? Note down these whole things all dear, what I am telling you. The second clock is represent or clicking, the second clock is shows a 7 o'clock in a evening. What, my dear students? 7 o'clock in evening. Understood all of you? So now, how can we identify when we put AM or PM? How we will put and how we will identify where or when we use AM or PM. I hope you all remember all what is the full form of AM. After midnight and PM means past morning. What my points means anti-meridian and post-meridian. What my points all dear? So 7 in the morning and 7 in the evening. That is the both time we are mentioned here. Okay, all dear students. Now we will move on further. So here we will move on further. So how do we know whether it is a 7 in the morning or 7 in the evening? What all dear? So how do we know? So what we have to show here? So how do we know whether it's 7 in the morning or in the evening? Means a 7 o'clock is coming in two times. Morning a 7 o'clock and evening a 7 o'clock. So what, my dear students, how can we identify and what we are mentioning there means AM or PM? Okay, so here is that given a method, we are going to check this method to show which part of the day we use. What, my dear? To show which part means which part of the day means night, afternoon, midnight, evening. Got my point? That type of the all day means all parts of the day we are going to use. We use here. First is what? AM for time after 12 midnight and before 12 noon. AM for means after a midnight for a time after a 12 midnight and before a 12 noon. What, all students? Again I am repeat for you. AM for a time after 12 midnight and before a 12 noon. PM for time after 12 noon and before 12 midnight. AM stands for anti-meridian and a PM stands for post-meridian. Post-meridian. Got my points all dear? AM stands for what? Anti-meridian and PM stands for post-meridian. Meridian. So note down these both words, my dear students, anti-meridian and post-meridian. PM for after, see, again we have to write a both sentence, AM for a 10 after a 12 midnight and before a 12 noon, and PM for time after 12 noon and before a 12 midnight. So all my dear students, here is to show what it that show which part of the day we use. Okay, AM for a time after a 12 midnight and before a 12 noon. That is a vast difference between both words, dear all my dear students. See, this is what is the meaning of mid 12 mid after a 12 midnight and before a 12 noon. Got my points? And here is PM is what? PM means after a 12 noon and before a 12 midnight. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, you have to note down this both sentence in your book. M for time after a 12 midnight and before a 12 noon. Before a 12 noon. And what is the PM for? PM for time after 12 noon and before a 12 midnight. 12 noon and before after a 12 noon and before a 12 midnight. Note down this both sentence in your book, dear all. And what is here further? AM stands for anti-meridian and PM stands for a post-meridian. M means what, all my dear students? Anti-meridian, anti-meridian, and PM for what? Post-meridian. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood. You note down these all things in your book, dear all. And then after, here the cycle. Here the cycle means what? A line of a, see, what is it shows? It shows a wall day. It shows a one wall day. Got my points, all dear? Note down these things in your book, dear all. Here is what? Here is the midnight. Here is the 12 noon, and here is also a 12 midnight. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, dear all. Note down these things in your book, dear. What I am telling you here. This is a 12 noon, this is a 12 midnight, and this is a 12 midnight. In one whole day, in 24 hours, it will become a 12 midnight, 12 midnight. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you. Note down these both things in your book, dear all. And then here, remember to change AM to PM when you cross a 12 noon and PM to AM when you cross a 12 midnight. Got my points, all of you? Remember to change AM to PM when you cross a 12 noon and PM to AM. When we cross a 12 midnight. So 1 hour before 12:50 p.m. What, my dear students? 1 hour. See, the time is what? 12:50. 1 hour before 12:50 p.m. is 11:15 a.m. See, what is the difference between both times? See here, my dear all students, what is the difference between both times? Here is, see, 12:15 p.m. and here is 11:15 a.m. That is a difference between both time. Got my points, all dear students? Note down these both things in your book, my dear all. I hope you all are understood, dear. 1 hour before 12:15 p.m. is 11:15 a.m. Okay, what is the main important word? Main important word is 1 hour before. Before timing. We have to present here before time. And then second sentence, what we have to present? We have to present after. 2 hours. 2 hours after. What, my dear? 2 hours after 13 a.m. is a 1:30 p.m. 11:13 a.m. and a 1:30 p.m. Got my points, all of you, what I'm telling you? Note down these all things, my dear, in your book. This is a very important for us. And now we are going to try, as per yesterday we have done all things. All my dear students, we are going to try this both FB. Okay, dear all. So what is our first FB? 2 hours before 1:40 am is okay. Before we have to what mention? We have to mention here, my dear students, before time. 2 hours before time. So it's 11, then after 12, and 12 after 1. So 11:45 p.m. Time is what? 11:45 p.m. Got my points, all dear students? Time is what? 11:45 p.m. Note down this time in your book, dear all. 2 hours before 1:45 am is 11:45 p.m. See, this is the difference between am or pm. And this time is mentioned, and what we had mentioned, and we had mentioned here before a 2 hour time. And then after here is 1 hour after 1 hour after 11:05 p.m. is 11:05 p.m. is what, all my dear? 11:05 p.m. is means we have to mention here after a 1 hour means 11 o'clock and 5 minutes. We have to mention after 1 o'clock this given time. So is what? 12:05. And what is this here? AM or PM? Here is PM. So what we have to mention? AM. So my points all dear. Note down these both things in your book, dear. Okay. Note down this both time in your book, my dear all. And then after we will going to start exercise number 12. What we are going to start? We are going to start exercise number 12B. So now I am going to present here next exercise number 12. We put a heading over there, all dear students. Put a heading over there, exercise number 12B, my dear. Okay, so first of all, you write in your rough book now. Now you have to mention in your rough book exercise number 12B. What, my dears, we have to write? We have to write exercise number 12B. Question number first. What is the question number 1? Give the time, use AM or PM. Got my point? As per we learn the uses of AM or PM, we are going to learn these things. This exercise. Got my points all dear? Give the time, use AM or PM. I hope you all are able to give an answer, means you are orally write the answer in your book without any query or preference. Got my points all dear? What I am telling you here. So now put a heading over there, exercise number 12B, question number 1. Give the time, do fast all dear, note down these things. Give the time, use AM or PM. Give the time, use AM or PM. Understood all of you, my dear, what I am telling you? So note down these both things in your book, dear. Okay, so now first of all we are going to check the time of given question number 1, first clock. What is the time of the first clock? What is the time of the first clock? Okay, so let's check here. Let's see here. 11:50. Okay, where is the hour hand and minute hand? We are going to check the hour hand and minute hand. Got my point all dear? What we are going to check? We are going to check minute hand and hour hand. So here we are going to check first where is the hour hand. Hour hand is a red hand is hour hand. Red hand is what? Red hand is a hour hand, and blue hand is a minute hand. Okay, so red hand is present at 11 o'clock, and 3 means blue hand is represent at 15. Okay, means time is what? 11:50. And what should we are going to be mentioned there? We are going to mention AM or PM. Okay, so 11:50. AM or PM, dear. Okay, here we use a AM because of it's not a past afternoon. Okay, break time at the school is what? 11:15 AM. Okay, and then after a 12 o'clock, noon after, okay, after a 12 o'clock, it's converting to the PM. So now what we are going to write? We are going to write 11:15 AM. So note down this answer in your book, my dear all. 11:15 AM. Got my point all, dear? What I am telling you, note down this answer in your book, dear. Keep the time, use AM or PM. Break the time at the school 11:15 AM. What, my dear all? 11:15 AM. Because of AM is what? After a midnight. After a midnight, and then after we are going to write the answer here 11:15 p.m. What we are going to write? We are going to write 11:15 a.m. and a.m. represent here after a midnight. A.m. is what represent? A.m. is represent after a midnight. Note down the answer number 1, and then we are going to write the answer number 2. So first of all, we are going to check where is a hour hand and where is a minute hand. So in clock number 2, first of all, we are going to check. Where is hour hand. Hour hand is on a 1 o'clock and minute hand is on a 6. So 1 o'clock and 6 is what represent? 6 is represent a 30 minutes. How many minutes, my dear students? It represents 30 minutes. Got my points, all my dear students? And what we are going to mention here are lunch time. Lunch time 1 o'clock and 30 minutes. How many minutes, all my dear students? There are 3 minutes. So what we have to use here? We have to use here AM or PM. So now I am going to write here the answer. So my dear students, we are going to write the time of the second clock. What we are going to write? A second clock time 1:30. 1 o'clock and 30 minutes. So what should we have to mention? Afternoon 12 is past. AM is after a midnight. Not after midnight. Here is a past, not a past morning. Okay, so I am writing here the time 1 o'clock 30 minutes and it's a PM. My points for all of you all. Okay, 1:30 PM. 1:30 PM, it shows the afternoon's 1:30. Okay, past morning. Past morning is means morning is gone. Okay, now my dear students, last question number C. We are going to now question number C, my dear students. What is the question number C, all dear students? Question number C, and what and this clock is what? Show its clock. It shows what is the time of this in this clock? In this clock, time is 5 o'clock. Okay, our hand is exactly on a 5 and minute hand is on a 12, and 12 is so the 16 minutes. So time is what? 5 o'clock exact. And what it shows, AM or PM? It shows a PM. After a school, it shows a PM. It's past morning, post meridian, past morning. So I am going to be write the time here 5 o'clock 5 p.m. Got my points? I hope you all are understood all my dear what I am telling you. Okay, so note down the time of clock C in your book dear. Play a time after school 5 p.m. Okay, in 5 p.m. is also coming, but is what a.m. Okay, that time what we are do that time we are sleeping. Got my points all? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students, what I am telling you here. Okay, so I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. Okay, so here we have done exercise number 12b, question number 1 only we have done. Note down this question in your book. Okay, my dear all students, you note down the question in your fair book also and also in your rough book. Understood what I am telling you? So now my dear students, in next session we are going to learn question number 2. Understood? Thank you so much my dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you all dear. Thank you so much my dear.